CSW, its whole philosophy is getting students to experience things that otherwise they might not have tried. You can take classes from biology of cancer and science, to U.S. women's movements and history, to traveling to France as a part of your language class. There's a lot of really incredible opportunities for engaging with learning. CSW has an event called Diversity Day. It's where we take a day of school, but instead of going to classes, everyone goes to student-run workshops. And these workshops are designed and executed by students, and they feature specific parts of their culture. I worked with another student to design a workshop about the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. I've been raised Jewish. This other student that I worked with is an international student from Saudi Arabia. So we are on two different sides of the issue, but we thought that even though we disagree, both of our perspectives are valuable. You should be able to talk about it respectfully and valuing both sides, because otherwise you're not doing justice to the true complexity of the conflict. CSW is all about exploring these challenging issues. It's leading workshops and educating the community. It's working with a student club on campus to fundraise for an organization. If you want that type of education that goes beyond the classroom, CSW is the place for you.